my fridge.
I'll give you some background on the scroll behind me. This calligraphy is from my father-in-law. He made this scroll when he was 88 years old, shortly before he passed away. This is the text of this scroll. Just thought you might be interested to know what was behind me here. Hello, viewers. Time to continue.
Drink my fridge.
So I got started last week tasting my fridge. There's still a lot more to taste. Today what I'm going to show you is the Chinese style rice wines that are in my fridge. So it's time to do a follow-up on my pasteurization attempt. I brewed huangjiu 6 months ago, and I pasteurized one bottle and left the other bottle unpasteurized. And I'll compare that today, see what the difference is after 6 months. And I also have 3 red yeast rice wines of different ages that I'm going to taste today. So hope you enjoy tasting these along with me. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe. And please share this video wherever it is appropriate. I really appreciate your help in spreading the word about brewing your own rice wine in your own kitchen. It's a fun hobby. More people should learn about it. Thanks for your help in spreading the word. So batch 102 was my attempt at huangjiu, and I pasteurized one of these bottles and left the other one unpasteurized. All right, first one is my attempt at huangjiu. And this is the unpasteurized one, and this is the pasteurized one. And this is the follow-up to see what's happened after 6 months. Is there going to be a difference in taste? And they both have a similar aroma. They both have pretty sharp taste. There's plenty of alcohol. It seems very dry. Well, at this point, I do think the pasteurized one has better flavor. The unpasteurized one has a more green or vegetable flavor in it. It's sort of strange. So I think the pasteurized one has lasted better. The flavor still is pretty harsh, though. It's not smooth. It's dry and harsh. I think normally huangjiu is aged quite a while, more than 6 months at least. So I'm going to keep this and just taste a little bit at a time, and I will continue to report and follow up with you. Next, I want to taste these 3 batches of red yeast rice wine that I have in the fridge. Batch 95 is 10 months old. Batch 93 was bottled 12 months ago, and batch 85 was bottled 17 months ago, and the recipes were all slightly different, and this is my chance to compare them now. So I have these 3 bottles to taste. I'm going to taste them from youngest to oldest. The youngest is 10 months old, middle one is 12 months, and the oldest is 17 months. Okay, so here's the youngest. It has a fruity aroma. A pretty good taste. Okay, so not as dry as the huangjiu. Next one is less fruity, more bitter. No, they're both pretty strong. And then the oldest one, this is 17 months old. This is more of a yeasty flavor at the beginning. I could have used more yeast in this one. But the flavor is pretty good, so still astringent at the end, but has some sweetness. So yeah, this flavor. These 3 are all pretty good, but I have to say the oldest one is better. So, yeah, that's the best one. Yeah, it's getting more. I think what I want is some more of that caramel flavor. I think that, yeah. It has a pretty rich flavor, and they're all nice and clear. So I think those turned out, and I'm gonna keep that batch 85 as long as I can. There's one more I want to taste today. I almost forgot. It's another huangjiu. It's the one I did hands off. And I first bottled that. It was very sweet. I want to see what it tastes like today. So let's try that one too. Okay, so this is my hands off huangjiu that I bottled 5 months ago. It brewed for 2 months, and it was very sweet right after bottling. But let's see what it tastes like now. 5 months later, it's very clear. It's a fruity aroma. Maybe a little buttery. Oh, yeah, still sweet. Maybe apple flavor. Okay, so this is the sweetest brew I've had so far. So it's still sweet and clean, not bitter. And has a compensating tartness. Yeah, so this is more balanced than the other brews. Sort of apple and brown sugar flavor, I would say. So pretty nice. Okay, so that was my hands off huangjiu. and still good after 5 months. Yeah, nice flavor. So good follow-up on that one. So thanks for spending time with me as I drink my fridge. Hope you're brewing yourself, and if your fridge is full, you should drink your fridge. Thanks for watching.